Want to earn $20, $30, and even $50 per hour working from home with no degrees in most cases? These legit companies are hiring now, and some are even open to applicants worldwide. So places like even Africa, Asia, Latin America, and the Caribbean. So I'll walk you through the pay, the requirements, the equipment needed, and the application process. Hey there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, I cover real work from home jobs so that you don't fall for scams or end up wasting your time online. Today, I have 4 companies hiring for roles such as virtual assistants, customer support reps, tech roles, and even sales roles. I reveal each as we go, starting with a company paying over $60,000 a year for remote support roles. First up is a remote-first software company that helps property managers run their businesses smoother. And they're hiring for roles such as operations assistant, customer success rep, and onboarding specialist. Their operations roles pay $50,000 to $70,000 per year, while their sales roles have a base pay plus commission. And they have full-time, long-term contracts with benefits. Their requirements are 2+ years of professional working experience, being a great communicator, being self-motivated, and you must be located in the US or you're a US citizen abroad. The equipment needed is just fast and reliable internet, a laptop or PC, a webcam, and a mic, and you're good to go. Just a bonus tip, they value thoughtful answers on their application forms rather than the resumes, so take your time and fill out the application properly. To apply for this role, you only need to go over to Lead Simple, go to their career section, and choose the role that you're applying for. Next is a remote education company offering prep courses to adults, and they hire worldwide. So yes, you can apply if you're in Nigeria, Kenya, the Philippines, Jamaica, or Trinidad. Job roles include virtual assistant, customer support rep, appointment setter, curriculum editor, and a lot more. The pay range is between $12 to $20 per hour for support roles and up to $50 for project management or curriculum leads, and no degree required in most cases. You only need fluent English, whether written or spoken, 4 to 8 hours to cover a shift, and that should include a 1 to 2 hours business overlap with EST time. For the equipments needed, you only need a laptop or PC, stable internet connection, and a noise cancelling headset. Just a question, are you outside the US and seeking a legitimate remote job? If yes, please go ahead and drop your country in the comment section, because I'm going to try and build an international remote job friendly guide that can help you guys when you are seeking remote jobs. The name of that company is Achieve Test Prep. You can go over to their website, go to their career section, go ahead and apply for a job, whether it is outside the US or inside the US. If you're based in the US, this next company is hiring for flexible contract roles, especially in customer service and inbound sales. The current open roles are customer success rep, beauty product consultant, inbound sales rep, and healthcare phone support. For inbound sales, you earn up to $25 an hour plus commission. Their hours are flexible and you choose your own shift. You must reside in the US, have a laptop or desktop, a quiet workspace, wired internet connection, plus a USB headset. Please note they contract with well-known brands, so if you're great on the phone or you want a flexible work schedule, you can go ahead and apply. The name of that company is Next Rep. Our final company is well known for tutoring, but I bet you didn't know they hire remotely for customer service, sales, and content creation. And many of the roles are open to international applicants too. The roles include online tutoring for math, English, and test prep, customer support agent, sales representatives, and tech-related roles. Non-tutoring roles range between $12 to $20 an hour, while tutoring roles range between $20 to $30 an hour. You only need strong internet connection, be fluent in English. Some of the roles require you to have US residency, others don't. You just have to check the listings. And just a tip, you can also host live group classes or summer boot camps if you want to earn extra money. Just go over to Varsity Tutors, go to their career section, and go ahead and apply for the role that you're interested in. But before you apply, here are 3 quick tips that can either land you the role or end up getting you ghosted. Always use keywords from the job listing so you tailor your resume for each. Use terms like CRM system, cross-functional communication, or remote collaboration if they appear in the post. Add a 60-second intro to your profiles if you're required to create a profile. And your background matters, especially in tutoring or support roles. A tidy area, quiet space, and a headset go a long way. So there you have it, 4 companies hiring for US based and worldwide remote jobs. Let me know which one you're checking out first. Drop it in the comments. Additionally, if you want my remote job template or a starter kit, you can go ahead and drop resume in the comment section. I will go ahead and comment underneath that and advise you how you'll be able to get, that free template. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you don't miss a next video. Until next time, bye. Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to your girl's channel. It's the girl Lika. For those of you who are new to my channel, please note I make a lot of content regarding making money online. So if you're interested in more topics like that, feel free to subscribe to my channel. So the first one that I'm going to share with you is for those who are in the US and seeking a work from home job. And that is because it is probably the only one that might be appealing to them. So here, when you come onto this platform, Jobs to Careers, you can either type the kind of job that you want, or you can just go ahead and put in the city that you are located in and the jobs will appear. So for example, here is one that is available in Atlanta, Georgia, and they are urgently hiring. And then here's the next one in Atlanta, and they're paying $2,500 to $5,000 a month, and you do not need any form of experience. Look at this next one, data survey associate, no experience, flexible schedule. However, they do not post the salary, but as you go through, you will see a lot. Here's one that you get a $500 bonus when you sign on, apparently. Now let's move on to the jobs available in the Caribbean and Latin America. So the first job is from a company that I shared before, and it is Work Better Now. And this time they're seeking an accounting assistant position. And please keep in mind, there are a lot of other positions on their platform. This one, it is a remote position. And here it is available in the LATAM countries. So guys, let me tell you this, for my Jamaicans, I want to share something with you. So there are certain companies who consider Jamaica to be from LATAM or from Latin America. And then you have other companies who do not consider Jamaica.